we celebrate Earth Hour.
Yes, magandang reminder talaga to na kahit small actions can actually create big change. So, from pagtitipid ng energy to the sustainable habit na ginagawa natin. Yes.
Lahat yan nagsisimula sa mga simpleng decision, gaya ng pagbibigay ng isang oras for Mother Earth. Kaya naman tonight, we're not just sharing music. We're sharing this night moment with purpose. All-purpose cream. All-purpose. And speaking of meaningful moments, kagabi lang, we just dropped something very special to us. And this song is very close to our hearts, and it's a collab song with Flip Music's very own Penelope and Miss Nika Del Rosario. And it's called Di Ka Nag-iisa. And actually guys, binisita tayo ng ating Ate Penelope.
Nasaan siya?
Nasaan siya?
Nandito yan! Palakpakan naman natin si Ate Pen! Kinakabahan na ako kasi nandyan yung nagsulat ng kanta. Pero sa panahon ngayon, di ba, syempre madami tayong pinagdadaanan. At syempre malapit na yung Holy Week. We hope that this song becomes a reminder for everyone na kahit anong bigat ng dinadala natin ay hindi tayo nag-iisa. This song is for you.
Dahil ang aming next song ay sure akong alam nyo dahil viral levels to. Viral levels! Hindi. Kaya gusto ko gawin natin itong special. So kung meron kayong mga phone dyan, taas nyo yung mga flashlight nyo. At kung wala naman kayong cellphone, ay yung mga ilaw-ilaw nyo na lang dyan. Pero kung gusto nyo both, why not? So, are you ready? Mas malakas! Are you ready? Okay. Thank you so much, Robinson's Galleria, for having us. It's such a great pleasure to be performing in front of you. Kaya lagi nating tatandaan na
Weather lang.
caring for Mother Earth starts with a small and everyday practice. Di ba?
Ano kaya starts with a wink?
Oh, pwede rin. Starts with the week. At ngayong darating Holy Week, ang tanging wish lang naman namin para sa lahat, sa inyo, para sa lahat, ay yung makapag-spend time tayo with our families, peaceful, meaningful, and reflective time with our loved ones. At kung sakali man may dinadala kayo, always remember na hindi kayo nag-iisa. Kasama nyo kami, tama ba yun?
Yeah! Nagdadalawa na kayo.
Ayun na naman siya.
Ito naman.
Tapusin na natin to, Angelica. Anyways.
Ano kinilig siya? Kinilig, guys. Ayan, once again, thank you, everyone. I'm Angelica.
I'm Mayaka. I'm Mariel. I'm Jean.
And I'm Audrey.
And we are Wings! All together now, let's... Ulit.
Sabay. Hindi
All
nyo kaya.
together now, let's... Maraming salamat po! Yay! Thank you, everyone! Good night! Thank you, ma!
And there we have it, ladies and gents. Once again, sa malakas na palakpakan for Wink!